Good morning, my friends. I tried to make this for you yesterday and I spilled the egg all over the counter, so I erased it. I have just a few minutes before I have to start work, so I'm going to quick show you how to make a quick cheese omelet. I'm going to do a 2 cheese omelet, 2 quick eggs, dump them in, give them a quick scramble. I like to make sure I scramble them really well so that they get a nice, light, fluffy look to them. That way, you have a more consistent egg. Okay, now a lot of people will either stop here, put it in their pan, and cook it, or maybe add about a tablespoon of water. I, myself, prefer to use milk, and this is how I measure. Very archaic. I go 1, 2, I'll put 2 eggs in it. I count milk for how many eggs I put in. Give that a nice mix. Add a little bit of salt and pepper, and then we'll get it on the stove, and I'll show you how to finish that up. Okay, I added a little bit of salt and pepper to my eggs, and first thing you want to do is the stove going. Put a little something in your pan. I just use a little olive oil spray in my pan. Then dump in your egg mixture. And then I like to take a spatula to help me with the next part of this process. And this is my favorite little spatula. It's from Pampered Chef. And this is a silicone heat resistant, so it works perfect for making a quick omelet, stirring something in a hot pan, because this is not going to melt. It's not going to melt at all. So get your egg in your pan, get it started, and what I like to do is I like to start pulling from the edges of the pan. If you have an omelet pan, you don't even have to do this. You can put it in an omelet pan, let it cook for a while, flip it over, and you've got a nice omelet. However, I don't have an omelet pan anymore, so I am going to do it this way. I like to pull it from the edges because then you can take the raw egg mixture and allow it to move into the spaces that are not cooked. That way, it's kind of looks like scrambling an egg a little bit. I kind of feel like I'm rushing this one because I only have a few minutes before I need to be sitting at my desk at work. But I'm also going to show you a really nice, easy way to flip this omelet too, if it works. Okay, I'm going to let this sit for a little bit and cook up a little bit. See, as it's starting to cook up, it's not filling in the spaces quite as much. So sometimes I grab the center spaces and let it run into the center spaces too. But as soon as it stops doing that, you know, it's kind of time to leave it alone a little bit. You have to be careful because you don't want to leave it too long that it's going to get really burned. It's not going to be a pretty omelet, but it's going to be a good omelet. Starting to brown a little bit on the back side. I want to see if it's going to slide off or if it's going to stick. It's kind of sticking someplace, so I want to see where it's sticking. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this really quick, easy way. I just take a plate, slide it off onto the plate. I'll show you. Kind of flipped it a little bit, but slide it off onto the plate. Then what I like to do, I'm going to turn this burner off so I don't burn myself while I show you. Put the plate on, give it a quick flip over, and then you've got it right back in the pan. There you go. Now it can cook up on that side. I'm going to turn the burner back up a minute. And then just take your cheese, however much cheese you want in the middle. If you want to put some ham in there, you want to put some veggies in there, whatever you want to put in the middle, you can put in the middle. I'm just doing a quick cheese omelet. And then you can also take that plate, set it over the top, and that'll help melt the cheese. But you actually don't have to wait for the cheese to melt completely, because as soon as you take it off the burner, I'm going to put this off again. Let's see if I can fold it better than I did yesterday. Take it off, fold it in half. Yep, same thing as yesterday. This cheese is going to melt while it's sitting there. So I'm going to toast a couple pieces of toast, and that cheese will be melted shortly. Have a great morning, everyone, and I'll talk to you later. Off to work.